Hello, and I am Coarsely, and today I'm going to show you how to make this chocolate cake. I'm going to start by putting in 125 grams of butter, I have got 225 grams of caster sugar, I have got 200 grams of self-raising flour, I got 50 grams of cocoa powder, I to give this a mix sieve through. I've got two eggs. I've got 2 eggs and I've got 2 eggs and I'm gonna put this in this batter. I've got 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I've got 160 ml of water. I'm just gonna mix it all through with this whisk. Now it has gone to a cakey batter, and I'm going to show you how to put it on a cake tin. Now I got this, I'm just gonna put it in a greased cake tin. Now I have got this cake tin in the baking. Now I've got this cake pound. Now I've got this in the tin. Now I'm just gonna bake it. Now preheated the oven to 180 degrees. I'm just gonna bake it for 1 hour. Now this is the icing stage. I'm gonna show you how to make this icing for this cake. This is going to melt, and I'm going to show you how to make an icing out of that chocolate. I've got 90 grams of dark chocolate. See if you can see it's melting, so watch as if it melts. The chocolate is melting. As you can see, it has melted at the top of the simmering water. Now I'm going to show you how to make this icing out of this melted chocolate. Now I have got 160 grams of icing sugar, and I'm just going to sift this through. Remember, if you got lumps, just scrape it off until it is sifted through. This is a demonstration of how you can remove the lumps from the icing sugar. And also, I've got 30 grams of butter. I'm just going to put it in also. And lastly, also I'm going to put in is 2 tablespoons of hot water. Then we're just going to put in 2 tablespoons. Look, can you see? It's even spreadable enough. So keep stirring until it is spreadable. Now I'll show you how to make a cake and this icing batter. So if you want more cooking videos like this, you can like and subscribe. Till then, bye.